Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 6.1 question number 2. The following numbers are obviously not perfect squares. Give reasons. Let us find the reason behind this. We know that we know that we know that the squares of numbers. We know that we know that the square of a number, the square the square of a number, the square of a number, the square of a number may end may end may with end with any any of the any one of the digits, any one of the digits of the digits of the digits 0, 1, 5, 5, 6 or 9, right? Also a perfect square 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 has perfect square has even number of zeros has even number of zeros even number of zeros number of zeros even number of zeros at the end of it at the end at the end of it at the end of it we will follow this rule. That is, we know that the square of a number may end with any one of the digits, the 0, 1, 5, 6 or 9. Also a perfect square has even number of zeros at the end of it. Now question number 1. The following numbers are obviously not perfect squares. Why? Because 1, 0, 5, 7. Right? That the units place is 7, not 0, 1, 5, 6 or 9. Therefore, it is not a perfect square. Therefore, it is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. Not a perfect squares. Number 2. Number 2 is 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Here also you see at the end it is 3, but not 0, 1, 5, 6 or 9. This number end with 3. Therefore, it is not a perfect square. Therefore, it is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. Because we know that the square of a number may end with any of the digits in 0, 1, 5, 6 or 9. Number 3 is 7, 9, 9, 2, 8. The unit place is 8. That is not end with 0, 1, 5, 6 or 9. Therefore it is not a perfect square. Therefore it is not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. The unit place is 2, but it is not 0, 1, 5, 6 or 9. Therefore it is also not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. A perfect square. Not a perfect square. Question number 5. Question number 5 is 64000. 64000. Here you see only 3 zeros are there, right? And thus a perfect square has even number of zeros at the end of it. This is not an even number, therefore it is not a perfect square. Only 3 zeros. To be a perfect square, there should be even number of zeros. It is 3 square. There is not even the odd number of zeros. It is, let us write the reason also. The reason is that it has odd number of zeros. Odd. It has odd number of zeros at the end. Odd number of zeros. Odd number of zeros at the end. At the end. Therefore it is not a square. Therefore it is not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. Now let's solve question number 6. If you remember this one, that we know that the square of a number may end with any one of the digits, that is 0, 1, 5, 6 or 9. Also a perfect square has even number of zeros at the end of it. Let us solve question number 6. Question number 6 is, you see here, question number 6. Question number 6. The 8, 9, 7, 2, 2. At the end, yeah, at unit place it is 2. It is neither 0, 1, 5, 6 or 9. Therefore, it is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. Perfect square. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is 2, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. Here you see there are odd number of zeros. Here odd number of zeros at the end. Odd number of zeros at the end. 1 to 3. Odd number of zeros. Odd number of zeros at the end. At the end. Odd number of zeros at the end. Therefore, it is not a perfect square. Therefore, it is not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0. So at the end it is 0. Also, the at the end there should be even number of zeros. There is 1 0. There is odd number of zeros at the end. It has odd number of zeros at the end. It has only 1 0. It has odd number of zeros. Number of zeros at the end. Odd number odd number of zeros. Odd number of zeros at the end. Odd number of zeros at the end. Odd number of zeros at the end. Therefore, odd number of zeros at the end. Therefore, it is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. Perfect square. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.